1 fruit and leafy green smoothie coming right up. You'll need an immersion blender or regular blender, 1 large jar, about 1 liter size, 1 cup coconut water, your choice of fresh berries. I'm using blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries here, 1 banana, 1 to 2 cups lightly packed fresh leafy greens. Let's begin. So I'm using Swiss chard here, and I will cut off the stems and remove the spine, which I will either compost or save for soup stock. Then I'll thoroughly rinse it in water with a little bit of vinegar, and I'll do the same with the berries. And for the leftover berries, what I'll do is I'll freeze them so that I can use them for another time. So here I'll lightly pack the Swiss chard into the jar, cover it with the coconut water, and these are optional superfoods. Half a teaspoon of spirulina, half a teaspoon of chlorella, half a teaspoon of moringa, and 1 to 2 heaping teaspoons of hemp protein powder. I'll blend the ingredients. Time to add the fruit. Blend until smooth and enjoy.